Hello everyone, welcome to the Dashcam Teacher. Today, we are going to look at some crashes, road rage, and some idiots driving cars. So grab your favorite snack and get ready. I hope you enjoy.
Oh. Are you okay?
Idiots!
The majority of it goes to you, my dear. Instructions. Well, the way it's at the moment is...
Jesus Christ, did he hit us?
Because I got a $50,000 truck and I ain't gonna take that up in the mountains. Even though I got ridiculously large tires on my car, and therefore I can't drive over 30 miles an hour on certain roads. Thank you. Felix, it's okay. It's okay. Oh my God. Stay in the car. Stay. It's okay. What?
Okay,
at the moment, your father-in-law, and
The renos are finished, so you're not really needed.
Thank you for watching. I really hope you enjoyed the video. For more videos like this, please subscribe to my channel. Oh, and take a look at these two videos. Maybe you like them.